Hi, welcome back to my channel. Okay, it has been a minute. Like, whoa, I've been gone for quite a while. But anyway, I am back and I'm glad to be back. And I'm going to be showing you guys this cute wig. Oh gosh, this wig, the quality. Come on, guys. You have to get it. Anyway, this hair was sent to me by a company called LUV Hair. And in the package, there was like wig cap, headband wigs, edge control brush, and just a bunch of things, okay? This is what the hair looks like straight out of the pack. As you can see, the ends are a little frizzy, it looks kind of dry and things like that. So we're going to revive this baby, but first of all, let's look inside the cap. So inside the wig cap, there's 4 combs. So as you can, I'm showing it on the screen right now, and it also has the headband part of it that comes with the velcro that sticks, and it's pretty secure. So yeah, that's basically it for the wig construction. So I did my edges off camera, and I'm just wearing this black mesh wig cap just so that I just usually like wearing like black wig cap sometimes, just in case the breeze wants to act mad. So at least it's a black wig cap that you're seeing, but I'm showing you guys how I wear the headband thing. So now I'm going to take water and conditioner because now it's time to revive this hair. It's time to make this hair look juicy, okay? So I'm going to keep spraying water and conditioner. Then I'm taking this brush that I have, and I am going to be using that to detangle the hair. Detangling it was not hard at all. Like, that's what I'm telling you, this hair, the quality is amazing. So I did spray quite a bit of water and conditioner on my hair, and then I'll go in with my fingers, going with the brush. I was just kind of interchanging till I like how the hair was looking. So this is the side that I've put just water and conditioner. As you can see, it's looking very flowy, very luscious, very curly, you know, just looking really bomb. And the other side is the side that is just straight out of the pack. As you can see, it's still kind of dry, still kind of frizzy. So just when we put the water, we're going to bring this hair to life, okay? So I'm going to be using this cream. I bought this cream because they did not have the one I usually use. And I really like this one, like, and it's much cheaper, so I'm like, yeah. Anyway, so this is what the hair looks like when I'm done putting water, conditioner, and that cream on it. As you can see, it's looking really nice. This is all the shedding that I got. This is beautiful, but I'm gonna go ahead and use a blow dryer on it. And after using my blow dryer, guys, look at how this looks, so bomb. But I'm gonna go further to make this even bigger, so I'm going to use afro comb, and I'm just gonna keep picking the hair to look much bigger, or at least a little bit bigger than it was. Yeah, just keep picking. You're not combing, you're just picking it out to look big. And this is what it looks like when I was done. Like, I was in love. So now I'm going to put on the headband. I don't know why I was wearing such a big earring. Like, I should have just taken the earring off first. But anyway, it's okay. We did it. So putting on the headband, I usually put it onto my neck first and then style it. Ooh, look at that. I even put out one in front. Like, this hair is cute. Like, I've had it for a while now, and it's just amazing. And these are the other headbands that came with the wig. Yes, that's basically it, guys. All the details will be in the description box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment before you leave, and buy this wig because what? I think I have a coupon code. I'm gonna put it in the description box if I do. Anyway, bye guys. Thanks.